PRP treatment for hair. Are you tired of seeing your hair thinning and losing its natural volume? Say hello to PRP treatment, the game changer in the world of hair restoration. This revolutionary procedure harnesses the power of your body's own platelet-rich plasma to stimulate hair growth and rejuvenate your locks. No more fretting over receding hairlines or patchy spots. PRP treatment offers a natural solution to restore your confidence and your hair's vitality. Say goodbye to hair loss woes and hello to a fuller, healthier mane. Platelet-rich plasma, PRP, treatment involves drawing a small amount of blood from the patient, then processing it to isolate the platelet-rich plasma. This concentrated plasma, rich in growth factors, is then injected into the scalp to stimulate hair follicles, promote new hair growth, and improve overall hair density. The procedure is minimally invasive, virtually painless, and requires no downtime. With PRP treatment, you can reclaim your youthful locks and bid farewell to hair loss worries once and for all. Revitalize your hair and skin with Ayurvedic expertise. Secure your spot at Dr. Smita Jadhav's clinic Nigdi Pune, where tradition meets modern wellness. Book your appointment today.